Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can fix the F01 issue with your Whirlpool washing machine and how to fix it. So the F01 indicates a failed electronic machine control board. This error code can sometimes be caused by a glitch or power surge through the electrical lines. You may be able to clear this code by unplugging the washer for 5 minutes, and be sure to unplug the washer before accessing internal components. So what you want to do, unplug the washer 5 to 10 minutes and then try to plug it back in and hope that this is going to solve the issue for you. And this is like a quick tip what you can do. Other than that, then just search for like those DI technicians on YouTube who are going to share with you on how you can completely change something in your washing machine. I'm not the type of guy. I just wanted to make a share a quick tip for you what you can try to do, then try to turn it on, and maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.